So good morning student, again welcome back my next video on Gambit tutorial. So as you are watching that I have created some points in my workspace. I am going to tell you about the face tab in the Gambit software. Okay, as the face tab contains the many commands here, if you scroll down here by clicking the left button of the mouse, then again you see that there are many number of sub commands are there. One by one we will discuss. Okay, now come to the first one, that is the face tab. Face is nothing but the lot of lines come together, it's called as a face. Okay, now we are generating the face by the help of some edges. Okay, so here the number of points are there. I want to generate some lines by the help of the points here. Okay, this is the point and I have generated this is, and this is third line, and this is the fourth line. Okay, the fourth line I have generated. Now come across the face command and come with a wireframe. Now here this is the top of window to form the plane by the help of edges. Okay, it creates the face from the wireframe. So now it asking us to select the edges. Okay, if you click the upper arrow button, then you will saw the number of edges present in the workspace area. Here I want to select the edges, the 4 edges. The edges should be closed loop. I mean to say, the starting point and the ending point of a line should be the same. Okay, now it asking us me to create an virtual face or a real face or an virtual face. Now I click the real face, then it asking me to either it is initial or guided edges or guided. Don't worry about this is not required here. This is auto, means you keep it is auto because the tolerance is taken by inbuilt software. So if you want to provide any label, then you can be. So now there is no necessary to provide the label, just I click the apply. Okay, the automatically the lines color will get changed. It turns yellow to something sky blue as you are watching here. So if I zoom it, then it will be zoom. So you are not unable to see the surface because it is in the form of wireframe. So if you come here at the bottom of the global control, then click here, then go to the shaded. If you go, then you will see a plane. Okay, then you will see a plane. This is the plane. Okay, now I again set it back. Okay, this is how we create the plane by the help of the wireframe. Now come across the second command by which we can create the some planes. Okay, here it is asking create the parallelogram face. Now it asking us to create some parallelogram, means it is the square. Now we are going to create something parallelogram planes. Okay, now it asking to give the 3 points, which by the help of 3 points it will create some parallelogram. Okay, let us go one by one. That is, I will create this as a origin and incline as this is one, and now base is this. Okay, if I click apply, then it will create some face as you are. Okay, then again it can be viewed by the help of shaded area. This is the plane which are created from the that create parallelogram face tab. Okay, Now I will close it again and I go for the next one. This is the polygon in the sense greater than 4, or there are number of points. By the help of them we can create the face. Okay, now it asking only to select the vertices. All the vertices should be in closed loop. We understand this is necessary. If it is not a closed loop, then it goes to some error. Okay, now I am going to here to create the face at here to so it looks like something good. So I want to create some face here by selecting the uh, points. Okay, this is and these 4 points. Now I click the apply. If you provide a label, so I want to I am telling provide the label is because then you will get a clear picture which face is at which space. Okay, this you have to understand. Okay, the face can be determined by its location, and the location can be provided by the label. Okay, if you provide the label, then it is good to visualize and to enlarge the geometry. Okay, now I will apply. Then here say it is see there face is created. If I get shaded this, then it will looks like. Okay, as you are watching, it looks like a face. Okay, this is approximately it look like a face. Now I am going to okay, this is the what we have. Now I'm going to next step, that is the circle. Okay, so I will undo for this because I want to create some uh, different uh, faces. Okay, by the help of different tabs. Okay, now if you click the face, then face by the circle, then you see a top-up window here that create circular face from the vertices. By the help of vertices it will create them some faces. Okay, it asking me to select some points which is center, and here we understand the method of selecting. Here center with the 2 radius points, and here with the help of 3 circle points. Okay, now I'm selecting this one center and the 2 circle points. Okay, the center I have selected, and the endpoints are given this. Okay, if I click apply, then you will see the uh, this is the plane which is created from the create circular face from the vertices. Okay, now I will again to form this one. Okay, I will create select some vertices. Okay, select I have selected some vertices and given to apply. Then again you will see here there will be some faces created. Okay, now I will close and go for the next step, that is the ellipse. So for that I will make undo this one. Okay, now I will reset it properly to view proper. So to create an ellipse there will be some center and some major axis and some edge. Okay, some edge. If you click the apply, then you will see what ellipse. Okay, it is in the form of circular ellipse, but we understand the ellipse can be in the like the shape of egg. Okay, I will close it. This is the how we form the create the face from the help of the elliptical or ellipse tab. Okay, now come across the next one. This is the skin surface. Okay, skin surface, let me go how it can create it. This is the skin surface. Okay, if you ask me what is the skin surface, I have some definitions. Okay, so the skin surfaces, okay, skin surface like the human body, how the skin will. Okay, no matter, I will just tell you how it will be created. Okay, this skin it requires some edges. I selected the edges, and and this is the edges what I have selected, and start vertex here, this is the start vertex, and this is the end vertex. Okay, this is the end one. Now if I apply, then you will see some different kind of face here. Okay, this is how it has been formed. If you take a sequence, if you select the sequence edges, and if you select the sequence vertex, then you will get a clear and desired skin surface. Okay, this is just I am introducing you the skin surface, but in the normal way it is very uh, amazing command to form the surface at some different points, which is at used for the complex geometries. Okay, so now I'm go for the net surface. Okay, I will undo it. So I go for the net surface. Okay, it is looks like something net of the volleyball. Okay, no matter, let's go for the how to create the net surface. I will again select this, make fit reset as it is. Okay, now I am going to form a net surface. Okay, it asking us to define the u and v edges. If you consider these two are the u edges, and if you consider these are the v edges, if you click the apply, then you will see that there will be something plane has been formed. Okay, this plane help us to this plane this is this the what you are seeing, the skin surface and net surface and vertex rows and sweep method. These are the amazing features of the Gambit, which are mainly used for the complex and multiple geometries, mainly for the multiple and complex geometry. Okay, so this is the basic how to form an surface by the help of net surface command. Okay, now come across the next tab, that is the vertex row. So vertex row, it is not required, but actually it is not required here. Apart from that, I will go for the offset face. Offset face in the sense it will create some face at the some distance apart. Okay, means if I click this face, okay, and mention some distance as a 1 meter. Okay, if I apply this, then you will see there will be some face has been formed here. It is the initial face. By the help of this face, we have created the another face. Okay, okay, now this is what you are watching. This is our base face, and this is our what child face. Okay, close it, and now go for the sweep face. Okay, now if I sweep face mainly help for the selecting the edges and sweeping it. Now I select the edges, and it looks like it turns something different. Means if you form any edges here, okay, I will just to introduce you, I will form an edge here. Okay, so I will create an edge here by the help of two different points. Apply, this is the edge. Okay, now I am going to create an sweep surface by the help of these two. Okay, I have selected this 3 as edge for the to make the sweep surface. Okay, now I select the edge. Okay, this is the edge. We see here something plane is formed here. Okay, these are the vector, in the sense if you don't have any base selection edges, then you go for the vector and define the direction and the magnitude. Okay, if you want to form a reverse direction, then it will be get opposited here, and if not, then it is a right measure. So this is the rigid perpendicular, means the as usual. Okay, if you click apply, then you will see here a face is formed, or a surface plane is formed here. Okay, this is the surface plane. Okay, are you getting? Now now come across the next command. This is the revolve. This is the amazing feature of the what I can say, Gambit. Okay, and it creates simple geometry into complex geometry. Okay, I will tell you one by one. Okay, there is no matter. I will select this edge. Okay, and I will select this edge and define the angle. If I want to give something angle here, 90. Okay, and select the axis here. I want to go to select the y axis here. Okay, y and positive axis, that should be in the upper side. Okay, you will see something changes here. Okay, as this is the our then here you will see a proper. Then if I apply here, then you will see here. Okay, that the image has been formed here, that this is the what the face has been created by the help of the revolve option. Okay, so it is revolved from this face to this face by the help of y-axis. Okay, now let's create some different revolve edges. Okay, if I create this, then if I select this, now I create a 360-degree and select the z-axis. Okay, positive z. If I apply here, then you will see a round face here. Okay, apply as you are watching here. Okay, this is the face. With the help of revolve command, we have created an circular plane or circular face here. Okay, this is about the today's I will say this vertex row in the next video if I have. Then for this you can comment me, and to tell you about I don't want to request to click the thumbs up button and give some comments. It is your responsibility that you are getting something, in the sense you have to give in return to me. That is just by clicking the like button and commenting. If in your friends anyone want to learn the Gambit tutorial and Gambit software, then you can share my videos to him so that he can improve his knowledge. And so that next if you want to learn some more related to this type of videos, and you want to go in depth in the Gambit software, then you please be subscribed, because the more if you subscribe, then more videos you will get in my channel. And to tell you about my notification, if there is any new video if I upload, then notification will be come in your notification will come. So for that, if you have to click the bell icon, I simply want to say click the thumbs up button, comment below, and share my videos. At last, click the bell icon to get the latest notification on my videos. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.